I have some bad news if you are holding cryptocurrencies. This video is very important. It is an emergency update video as the Fed has raised interest rates. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you exactly what just happened and what is going to happen to the crypto market if you hold Dogecoin or Shiba Inu. Make sure you stay until the end of this video. It is very important. So as I've been telling you all, the Fed is going to raise interest rates today. And guess what happened? Let me show you the charts. This is Shiba Inu. We saw a massive spike today. Look at this, a massive spike today and then a big crash. That's Shiba Inu. Let's take a look at some other cryptocurrencies. We have Ethereum, did the same exact thing. I'm going to show you Dogecoin as well. Look at this. Massive spike, big crash. Let's take a look at Dogecoin. It is not looking good, ladies and gentlemen. Dogecoin is at 5 cents. Wow, this is pretty rough. Dogecoin is at 5 cents. Spike to over 6 cents today. Look at that. And now we are headed back down. If I zoom out here, we can see cryptocurrencies are on a downtrend, guys. Look at this thing. It's just heading down. It's likely to head further down, right? So we're going to be talking about that in this video. But let me show you exactly what happened with the Fed today and why we are seeing what we're seeing right now. The Fed has raised interest rates by 0.75 basis points. And this is decent. The 75 basis points, 0.75%. So this is somewhat good and somewhat bad at the same time. Fed raises interest rates by 0.75 percentage point. The Federal Reserve made another consequential decision to raise interest rates by a historic 0.75 percentage point to tame inflation. It was the first time ever that the Fed raised rates by 0.75 point in 3 consecutive months. The Fed knows rate hikes will cause economic pain. You see that economic pain, a point that Jerome Powell made clear last month. He says to get rid of inflation, the Fed needs to reduce demand, and that may mean falling stock prices, cryptocurrencies, hiring, and spending. So cryptocurrencies did get a bullish reaction and we were pumping today. Things were very green until the data came out. The data was actually bullish. What we were expecting happened. The bullish case came out, right? But what was bearish is that the Fed laid their entire economic strategy and plan before everybody's eyes and said that they want to raise interest rates to about 4.5%, maybe a little bit more, to get inflation down by 2025. That's the bearish thing. Cryptos were looking good. We were pumping based on the 75 basis points. That was good, right? That's what we were expecting. But since they said that they are going to keep raising rates until 2025, that is bearish. That is bearish. Even raising rates, what they did today at a historic level, was bearish. When you raise rates, that kills cryptos. It kills the stock market, at least for the short term. When interest rates are low, that's when the stocks and cryptos are pumping. But when they continue to raise interest rates, that's going to kill stocks and cryptos. But here is the thing. I have something very important to share with you. Now that the Fed has actually laid out their entire plan before our very eyes, this can be a very bullish thing because now there's no longer any uncertainty. And they said they're going to raise rates by 50 basis points and then 25 basis points. They're going to be doing this specific plan until 2024, 25, something like that. And that's very good. We have had no clue of what they're going to be raising rates to, what they're going to be doing. And that's been causing all this fear, panic, and uncertainty. That's why the markets have been extremely volatile. So I am expecting the markets to be bearish. We're going to potentially crash again. But the markets are probably going to bottom out here very soon since there is no longer as much uncertainty as there was. And that's going to allow people to understand. That's going to allow whales and big institutions and the big players in the market to digest this information. And when people can digest the information and there's no longer uncertainty, that's when the markets will recover. Now, if you want to get access to the most profitable crypto trade alerts on the internet, go ahead and join the Patreon right now, where I give you guys buy and sell alerts so you guys can be making money every single week, especially while the markets are like this. join tier 3 if you want to get access to all of the alerts and to be a part of the massive crypto trading group where there is a whole bunch of very experienced traders to help you to make good investment decisions when I'm not around. I also have a new course and mentoring program to teach you how to make 1 to 2% every single day trading cryptocurrencies. If you are interested in that, apply with the link in my video description. And if you guys want to short the markets are most likely going to be heading down. Use my Bybit link. You can claim up to a $5,000 deposit bonus over in the link in the video description. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for staying to the end. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, and let me know your thoughts about this video and content that you would like to see me do in the future here on this channel.